G'day folks, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. North Queensland's been taking a breather from the rain, but obviously not from the heat. Plenty of storms out there, but mostly inland with big sunny gaps in between. Interesting weekend coming up with a potential cyclone in the Coral Sea that will probably waffle around Fijian waters and not affect us too much. Today saw a temperature range of 25 to 32 in our local capital Cairns, about average at the top end, but very warm at night, and humidity's been pretty high as you can see. Moving on to the satellite loop now. The action in the southeast has generally passed south and out to shore, or out to sea I should say, but there's another wave of it coming starting tomorrow night and going right through until Monday, where heavy falls will start to increase across the Darling Downs, Wide Bay and the southeast coast. For the tropical half of Queensland, it's more of a scattered showers and storm situation with a bit of a wild card because of this low in the Coral Sea, which we're not quite sure what it's going to do. Now for today's chart, you can see the low first there. There's some potential that over the next few days it will deepen into a tropical cyclone, but if it does, at least in the short term, it's not going to move anywhere near Queensland. We'll probably stay around Fijian waters. Longer term, we're not sure. Around closer to home, we've still got a very deep easterly flow affecting most of the east coast, especially in the south where the heavy falls have been. On tomorrow's chart, the trough moves south. The heavy falls start to get into that area. The low gets a bit closer, and on the outlook chart, the next upper low moves across southern Queensland, increasing rainfall again, though not much change in the tropics. The latest now from the Weather Bureau. Boating forecast for Cairns waters, east to northeast winds 10 to 15 knots tomorrow, and then straight northerlies on Sunday and north-northwesterlies on Monday. Just light though, that's the doldrums. This Sunday's full moon will bring a massive tide, second biggest of the year, so make sure you park your 4x4 up on high sand this weekend or you'll lose it. Now the North Tropical Coast and Tablelands, showers again tomorrow with possible thunderstorms, especially on the Atherton Tablelands. Cairns 32 degrees, Atherton 30, Innisfail and Mareeba 32. And looking ahead for Cairns, most days we'll see brief showers and thunderstorms mixed up with burning sunshine and crippling humidity. Details will depend a lot on how this low deepens in the Coral Sea. For Atherton, again, showers and storms possible on most days, especially up till about Monday, tops in the low 30s. Tonight's photo was brought to you by Barb McGovern, classic rain shaft exiting the base of a mature thunderstorm passing across the Lockyer Valley, taken from Prince Henry Heights last month. Thanks Barb, and thanks everyone for tuning in. Have a top weekend, and now it's back to the team.
Yeah, wonderful, Liv. Good on you, mate. Nice having your company. Have a good weekend. See you back on Monday.
And just a reminder, if you missed anything, you can see a replay of our news and also the National Bulletin over on 7.2. From all of us, enjoy your weekend. Good night.
Good night.